Hello guys, welcome back to my channel orangeabraham. Today you're going to see the basic tags in HTML, in that horizontal rule and the line break. So first we'll see line break. So it's always start with the new line of a paragraph. In line break we will always use the BR tag. So next is horizontal rule. Horizontal rule, HR tag is always used to separate the content on the web page. Okay, so I'll just show the demo. So this is a sample HTML. In body tag you can see the two paragraphs. First one is hi, welcome to my channel. Second one is orangeabraham. So first I will run the program. Open with browser. So here you can see hi, welcome to my channel orangeabraham. I just going to split the hi in one line and welcome to my channel. So I like to start the new line of a paragraph. So what I'm going to do is I just give the BR tag here, and then I just going to run this program. See, so same space I need for this also. So for that I just going to use another break. See, now you can get the same space for welcome to my channel as well. So another one I just going to split the hi and welcome to my channel in one session and the orangeabraham in the another session. So for that I'm just going to use HR tag, horizontal rule, here in paragraph. After that horizontal rule I just giving the HR. Save and the run. See, if you use the HR tag, automatically it will display the line. It draw the line. So it's easy way to separate the content on the web page. Okay. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for the upcoming videos, and don't forget to like and share. And click on the bell icon button. Thank you. Bye bye. We will see in the next video.